And now, the moment you all have been waiting for. The swimwear photo shoot, the hottest segment of the season, is finally here. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's bringing the heat like never before. Our boys are ready to turn the temperature all the way up.
How do I put it? It's one of the shoots which everybody really looks forward to. The boys work really hard on their bodies and they put in a lot of effort, and it's all showing actually.
रूबरू मिस्टर इंडिया के लिए स्विमवेयर डिज़ाइन करना was a first off experience for me, and it was beautiful.
The swimwear round was actually really steamy, I guess. Everybody had great bodies, by the way. They showed themselves, proven themselves really well in terms of posing as well as in terms of, having fun at the moment.
Almost 6 years that I've been working with Rubaru, and this was the first time that we did an indoor swimwear shoot. I think it was a lot of fun.
It was really sexy, and I must tell you, you guys need to see it when the pictures will be coming out. Words can't just completely tell what I'm feeling right now.
A photo shoot is always the most excitement and exciting things which any male pageantry happen, because ये pictures बहुत virals भी होती हैं that actually give us a chance to prove that it's not on the vulgar side but on a bold and a confident men, because it's a male pageantry where they need to show the confidence with the body. And swimwear इस बार जो design किया था निधि मुनीम ने, very good design, very settled, but with a royal look. पिक्चर्स इतनी वायरल हुई हैं नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट इंटरनेशनल. जिसने क्लिक किया है उसका मैं क्या बोलूँ, मतलब सारा खेल तो अमित खन्ना का ही था. जो जिनके थोड़े एब्स नहीं भी थे उनको थोड़े बना दिए. सो काफ़ी अच्छा था एंड इट वेंट वायरल.
It had to involve water, and we're just trying to play with some lighting. Let's see how that goes, because I'm still trying to figure out the main shot and I have my doubts, but once I shoot I'll understand what's working and what's not.
इस बार के जो स्विमवेयर डिज़ाइन किए गए थे, दैट वाज लाइक अमेजिंग. बहुत ही अच्छे से उसको डिज़ाइन किया गया था, एंड तो अमित ने जिस हिसाब से पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट प्लान आउट किया था उससे भी बहुत ही अच्छे से उसको शूट पे और पिक्चर्स जब दिखे तो बहुत ही अच्छे से लग रहा था वो.
We had a water setup, we had these amazing lights, with different colors. However, we went with yellow and golden, and we had, the shower on, and we had amazing collection by Nidhi Muneem, who has designed this swimwear for the boys. I think they pulled it off really well.
Nothing is surpassed.
I became really nervous looking at all the boys in such great shape, everybody oiled up. But yeah, eventually I went in there. Amit sir, always being amazing as he is, positioned us so well that I'm sure the turnout is going to be really amazing. And yeah, it was a great experience. Under the shower, very new experience for me. I think I've never done a body revealing shoot ever in my life. This is the first time. So I was really nervous, but in the end, I'm really confident about his work. So.
Obviously, when we shoot something like a swimwear, there is a certain sense of shyness, there is a certain sense of, feeling awkward, but I think that each and every contestant really put in their best foot forward.
So, I knew that swimwear round is an essential part of the pageant, so I really worked hard on my body, the diet part and everything, and working out, and of course, the posing part as well.
Oh, swimwear round is fun. I was not expecting it to come it this way. The place where we have shooted is swimwear round. It's full of light, black in the background, and the reflection, the focus, everything has come so well.
And I was really enjoying myself doing the shoot because it was something new for me as well. I honestly haven't, shot something like this over the years, and it was a different experience.
It was very glamorous. उनका जो hair and makeup था, उनका जो concept था, it was very, very different, very unique. मैंने इतना luxury shoot किसी Indian pageant में पहले देखा नहीं है, so I felt very proud to associate with Rubaro Mr. India.
The team really worked hard, and I honestly am thrilled with the pictures. I hope that the guys like it. I hope that the audience likes it and enjoy it as much as all of us did.
Get ready for the most entertaining round of the season. It's time for the talent round. From dance moves to dramatic monologues, this is where our boys show us what makes them unforgettable beyond the ramp. It's fun, fierce, and full of surprises.
Of us would be able to relate to this monologue. That is why I have prepared this monologue. वही कहानी फिर एक बार मजनू ने लिए कपड़े फाड़ मार तमाशा भी
Talent round, to be very honest, it was not up to the expectation. What I thought the contestants should take talent round on a serious note. Few were very nice, like a Nipun was good, Handsome was very nice. Apart from that, rest were horrible.
Firstly, I wanted to say a big thank you to Rubaro Mr. India for having me as a judge for the talent round. I must say it was a proud moment for me to watch so many contestants come up and show us their skills and their talents, but I think they could have done better. Some of them could have really done better.
I think it was a wonderful experience. Every student had something different to offer. Somebody danced, somebody did Shiva Nritya, somebody sang from the heart, somebody did a mono acting, and somebody did perform a folk dance from their own state. So I think it was a wonderful experience, beautiful costumes, beautiful way of doing it.
They should put some efforts. Some were singing so bad that I will never listen that song ever in my life. So they should take these things very seriously because this is not for the fun we are doing. That shows what and how creative they are, and they should understand the value of it because even that counts in the scoring, like how much efforts they have put in to come up with the talent.
तुम्हारे हाथ में केवल कर्म है, फल नहीं। तुम कर्म करो बिना किसी फल की अपेक्षा के।
It's an amazing experience and all contestants are also very good, but they have to work more hard, more 100% energy, but it was amazing. All the best to all the contestants.
क्या गम तेरा रिश्ता गगन की बादली से है, सूरज की रोशनी से है, पवन की गुफ्तगू से है।
लाइक टैलेंट राउंड तो अब मैं क्या बताऊँ उसके बारे में, कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें, बट फिर भी 1 या 2 जन थे जिनके लिए मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि उन्होंने शायद सीरियस लिया था टैलेंट को। बाकी सब तो ऐसे लग रहे थे कि सिर्फ एक दूसरे के लिए आए थे कि बस हम कुछ करके ख़त्म करें इस टैलेंट राउंड।
Them really made the effort to dress up, to practice and to come up with talents. I especially really enjoyed Nipun's performance. I think it was a very heartfelt.
मैंने अपने पापा के पास गया, मैंने पूछा डैड व्हाट शुड आई करियर, व्हाट शुड आई पिकअप, मॉडलिंग या फिर सिंगिंग। तो उन्होंने बोला बेटा तुम मॉडलिंग करो। मैंने कहा हैव यू सीन मी मॉडलिंग? उन्होंने बोला आई हैव हर्ड यू सिंगिंग। तू है जो में बड़ा महफूज रहता हूँ, तेरे मिलने का शुक्राना पूरा से रोज करता हूँ। Never sing, please do modeling. Listen to him. हमारे घर में बहुत बोला था modeling भी नहीं आ रही।
Has effective titles which gonna be there tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the finale and I can't wait to see all the 4 sequences do very, very well. Wishing the entire organization, especially Mr. Pankaj, all the very best. Thank you.
The more important is to represent country, not the title. So don't think if you won global, if you won international or if you won national, they are big. I have to announce them because I'm been born with contract. नहीं तो मैं कभी भी नहीं करूँ।
नाम अलग अलग हैं, चीज़ वही है, एक ही कपड़ा है, वो है इंडिया, राइट? तो आपने ये नहीं देखना है जैसे आपको पंकज ने बोला, हम इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। तो जो पगड़ी हमारे सर पे बंधी हुई है वो लाल रंग की, पीले रंग की है या सिंपल एक छोटा सा कैप लगा हुआ, उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि आप पगड़ी नहीं है, आप क्या है? आप क्या है?
इंडिया।
कपड़ा भी है, आप है क्या? इंडिया।
Best personality 2025 goes to Deepak Sharma. Ramesh Mr. Chan, Sparsh Arab. Best Kid Formal award goes to Sayyid Abu.
with that, let's give him a kick. Mr. Topic point goes to Vinod. For Mr. Perfect Body, Chris Hansen. The People's Choice Award. It's a Hale Hansen, that's how he made it in top 16.
With just one step left, the countdown has begun. The next time we meet, it's the grand finale. The wait is almost over and soon the world will know who will wear the crown of Ruberoo Mr. India 2025 because the best is yet to unfold. Welcome to the most awaited day of the year, Finale Day. From power-packed performances to jaw-dropping style. What an unforgettable finale we are having. But the night isn't just over yet.